You are just trying to enjoy your playlist when the vibe is suddenly broken by ads. It is frustrating, but paying full price isn't the only solution. If you want to save money legally without using risky modified apps, there is a smart platform that lets you share subscription costs safely. Head to the description below and click a link. This is KuSub, a platform that connects users to shared family plans for a fraction of the cost. Scroll down to the music section. Now, pay attention here because you will see two different options for Spotify. You can choose Recharge to upgrade your existing email or Premium account, where they provide you with a new login. Click Buy Now and check out the flexibility. You can test it out for a few months or log in a full year for maximum savings. When you look at this price compared to the standard $11.99 monthly fee, the value is obvious. You are essentially joining a legitimate shared slot, which keeps the price low and the account secure. To make this deal even better, apply the promo code ALUX at the checkout screen. This drops the price further, giving you the best possible deal. Proceed to payment. Since this is a legitimate service, you can use standard secure payment methods. It's just like buying a digital gift card or any other online purchase. Once the transaction is complete, you don't need to do anything technical. Just head straight over to your email inbox to check for the details. Since we selected the Provided Account option, the service instantly emails you a new ID and password. This is your key to accessing the premium features immediately. Open your Spotify app, log out of your current free account, and log in using these specific credentials you just received in the email. Let's verify it worked. If we go into the account settings, you can see the plan is active as Premium Standard. No hacks, just a smart purchase. This gives you the full experience, high-quality audio streaming, unlimited skips, and absolutely zero interruptions from advertisements. And for the final test, offline mode, you can now download full playlists and albums directly to your phone storage. I'm turning off my internet connection here to prove it. The music keeps playing perfectly. This is the real deal. Stop overpaying for your music. Click the link in the description to get your own premium plan right now.